Are you sick and tired of gimmicks telling you you can make money with this and make money with that? You may have noticed if you've been following my channel for a while, I don't promote a whole lot of software, even though there's like a gazillion software launches going on all the time. And trust me, I get contacted about every single piece of software that somebody's got going on. Everybody wants me to tell you about it, and I rarely talk about software. There are exceptions. I did just do Meme, but by and large, I don't do them. And there's a reason for that because most of the software that you see, and even a lot of launches that you see, with the gimmicks like, oh yeah, this is a secret loophole traffic, blah, 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 blah. It's BS. Let's face it. It really is crap, and Bart would be, you know, justified in saying that is crap. But, but every now and then you see something that really is cool because they're not selling more smoke. They're selling actual stuff that actually makes real money. And that's what I'm going to be telling you all about today. Is coming up in my review of Back to Basics. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull them successfully. Well, I mean, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, they can be as stale as the bagels I threw away yesterday. I don't know what it is about New York bagels. I love New York bagels. You can tell by my physique that I love New York bagels, but the reality is that they go stale pretty quickly. Go figure. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, regular viewers know exactly why. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Seriously, Bart? You and I got to talk. We got to get new lines, both of us, okay? Seriously. It's coming. Don't worry. I promise. I'm going to get some new lines. I'm going to figure it out. Once the new website is done, I'm figuring out some new lines. It's going to be a new intro. It's going to be great. But anyway, seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, we'll give it to my product. Great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I know Liz says the same thing every day also. You think I could get angry at her, but who can get angry? She's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Frankly, subscribe. Well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Back to Basics. This is a brand new course from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, Dawood is one of the most prolific creators of courses in the Make Money Online niche. I think he's done like 30, 40, something like that. A crazy number of courses that he's put out. And what I loved about Back to Basics, it really is back to basics. There's nothing, there's no flashy like, oh, use this little loophole that I found that, yeah, it's going to work for 5 seconds. And then, oh, sorry, on to the next thing. No, this is like real stuff that's going to teach you real methods of making money online. But if you do want to have more than what Dawood is going to offer you, well, I've got more for you. Okay, so check below this page. If you're on YouTube, then go and just click the link in the description, and you're going to see my bonus page. You're going to see I'm giving away 18 different courses. Now, before you start saying, oh, Eric, more courses that you've already given away a million times, no. Let me explain to you. Because I've been in the business for a while, I have a massive collection of courses, software, all kinds of stuff that I can give away as bonuses. And these particular courses, I kind of kept them hidden away for a special occasion. And today is a really special occasion. So you're getting these 18 that are fresh, that I don't think I've ever given them away. If I have, it's certainly been a very, very, very long time since I have. 18 fresh courses, but I am not done yet. Pick up any upgrade to the Back to Basics package, and you get your choice of one of 4 software products. I know some of you already got that, and it's fine. If you got one, you didn't get the other ones, you can get the other ones. If you already have all 4 of the software that are listed down below, uh, then and you want to get an upgrade, you can get an upgrade to one of those softwares. So, all 4 of them do have upgrade options available: Conversion Champ, not InstaBioLink, Conversion Champ, Social Viral Club, Boost Opt-in, and SEO Explosion. They all have an upgrade option available. So if you already got the basic version of it from a previous bonus, just let my support staff know when you request it, and you'll get the upgrade version of those software. You get your choice of one of them, either the basic one if you don't already have it, or if you've already got it, you get the upgrade version for free as a bonus. Pick up 2 upgrades, get all 4, and of course, if you have all 4, then you get upgrades for all 4 of them as well, completely for free, basically. So gonna be really, really cool stuff that you're gonna get from me when you pick up any upgrade or any 2 upgrades to the Back to Basics method. And by the way, Back to Basics, $9, $9.95. Okay, there's no. I'm checking to see. There's no downsell thing where it's like, you try to exit and it's going to give you a special discount. No, but still, $9.95. You're getting Back to Basics plus 18 courses. Pick up any upgrade, you're going to be getting one of the 4 software courses down below, one of the 4 softwares down below. And again, if you already have them, you can get an upgrade to one of them. Pick up any 2 upgrades, and you get all 4 of them. Or if you have all 4 of them, or some of them, you get the upgrades to any of the 4 that are down below. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here the members area. It's a basic members area that is available from Dawid. He's going to give a little introduction here, and it's not a whole lot of stuff. He's going to go over the basics of how to drive traffic using stuff that really does actually work, as opposed to, all the gimmicks that people keep saying, oh, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try this, and it works for 5 seconds and then it stops working. This is a real methods that actually do work over and over and over again. They're tried and true, that actually are going to be able to help you to finally succeed. And of course, you can have 18 other courses. Basically, you can have a complete library of courses available to you when you pick this up from me. So let's see if I'm going to give it to him as a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. Okay, I'm really a big fan of stuff that doesn't give you flashy gimmicks, but gives you something that's really going to work. And this really works. Grab this one for $9.95. You're going to love it.